And welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to take the class for 4th standard. In this video we are going to study about the same lesson, occupation, its importance. Okay, see here children. Once an elephant having pungent smell, it told to himself, so drink to so such of water, it does not quench pungency. Pungency means strong taste. Then it went, sweet sailor, brother, it is very pungent, please give me some sweets. Then sweet sailor told, I don't have table to keep the plate of sweet. If you bring a table, I will give the sweet. Then again, so elephant went to carpenter. So elephant went to carpenter, please give me a table for a sweet sailor. Then carpenter told, I don't have a saw to cut the wood. If you bring a saw, I will give you the table. Okay. Then here elephant then asked to blacksmith, please give me a saw to cut the wood. Then blacksmith told, I don't have a pot to keep water to make the heated iron cool. Go and bring a pot. Then at last elephant request to potter. Elephant request to potter, please give me a pot, brother. Then potters replied, it is not possible for me to temper the clay. If you help me to temper the clay, I will give you the pot. Then finally elephant helped him to temper the clay, so it got brought from the potter. After getting pot, it went blacksmith and gave pot to him. Blacksmith gave suck, it take saw and give to carpenter. Carpenter gave table to elephant, that table for sweet sailor. Sweet sailor gave a lot of sweets to elephant. Elephant finally eat all the sweets and told, oh, now pungency have gone. Now pungency has gone. By this we can understand we depend one another to prepare articles. Okay children. The person follow the one occupation, depend on the person, follow their occupations. Okay, observe the picture, learn how your clothes have been made. Okay, see here in this picture, farmer grows cotton in the field. Farmer grows cotton in the field. Later they will collect cotton from the plant. After that they will get salted the cotton. Sort means separate the seeds from the cotton. Separate the seeds from the cotton. Okay, means removing the dust from the cotton. Removing dust from the cotton. Later the cotton will be turned into fiber. The cotton will be turned into fiber. Fiber will get colored. Here colored. Fiber will get colored. Then next the fiber wave into cloth. Here then cloths will be supplied to the shops. From the shops will purchase the cloth and we will get into the tailor. She or her stitch our clothes beautiful. Even if we get ready-made garments from the garment shops, many people work to get them prepared. Other than elder, many children are engaged in many occupations. You have learned in the previous class about the problem faced by the working children. Okay. Here, engage the children below the age of 14. In work is a punishable often. It is the responsibility of all the make the children of this age to get the compulsory education. Here, answer the following question. Which artisans did the elephant go to? Elephant goes to sweet seller. Sweet sellers go to carpenter. Carpenter to blacksmith, and finally it goes to potter. Okay, elephant goes to sweet seller. Sweet seller to carpenter. Carpenter to blacksmith, and finally it goes to potter. Okay, what things did the elephant get? What things did the elephant get? Elephant got first pot, then saw, and finally it got table. Elephant got first pot, then saw, and finally it got table. How did the elephant help the potter? How did the elephant help the potter? Elephant helped the potter who tempered the clay. Elephant helped the potter who tempered the clay. Okay children, I hope you can understand this lesson. Read and practice this lesson and question answers.